Here's the piece that I really want you to understand. Your human design chart is not this fixed static thing that is you. You are not the chart. You are not your chart. You are an infinite, unlimited, powerful being who is having a life experience reflected through the dynamics laid out in the chart. That chart is really, in essence, your soul curriculum. To a certain degree, it is part of the story that you're telling about who you are. And when you really, really get your chart, when you really, really lock in and understand your chart, now you get back influence and control over how you interface with all of the opportunities and possibilities available to you. It's a dynamic interface. I like to think of it as being like a diamond. Your chart is a diamond. You are a diamond, right? And your life is really how the infinite possibilities, that in quantum physics terms, that's light, right? Photons, light. Photons are a creative medium. Our entire nervous system gets initiated by the movement of photons in our brain, right? If I give you an idea, if I say the word money and you hear the word money, the idea of money causes your brain to make a photon storm. That photon storm causes your body to produce emotions in response to that photon storm. Those emotions in turn calibrate your heart either into a state of coherence or incoherence. And that's going to influence what kind of choices you're making, what kinds of experiences you draw into your life. So light, photons, photons are a creative medium. They move in waves, right? And the potential of the universe is really just a bunch of moving particle waves in motion. Your human design, being the diamond that it is how the light gets through, right? It's how the light gets through. Now, if you have a big, beautiful window without any markings or marrings on it, the light gets through really well, right? My husband is an architect. He's all about light, right? So you have a beautiful big window, you get all this light through. But if there's a curtain in front of that window, or maybe somebody threw a rock at it, or something happened to the window and it's shattered, or it's broken, or it's dirty, right? It's going to affect how the light gets through. Oftentimes our conditioning, all of the experiences that we've had, the memories we have, the emotional artifacts of our past experiences, our ancestral lineage, all of those things are like fingerprints or smudges or dirt or curtains over the window, the diamond of who we are, right? And so the light is trying to get through, and it's trying to get through and give us the career we love. It's trying to get through and give us the relationships we deserve. It's trying to get through and give us the money we need and we want and we desire. It's trying to get through and activate our full creative power and our purpose and explore with us all of the unlimited options as being, in the human story. But we have these conditioning blocks that hold the light back, that influence how the light refracts through us. To live the full potential of our story, we have to let the light in, right? We have to clean off the window. We have to move anything that's blocking the flow of light through all those facets of the diamond to make it sparkle, right? Because if it's dirty and gross and icky, then it doesn't sparkle. And it's not as beautiful as it could be. And of course, as I said, the chart itself is a beautiful Rolodex. It's just the perfect way of kind of very systematically, piece by piece, bit by bit, going through the story and exploring what's encoded into your soul curriculum, what's encoded into your design. What are you here to grapple with, wrestle with, learn from, grow, expand upon in this lifetime? But to really get clear about who you are and take back control of your story, you have to first learn, who are you not? Who have you been conditioned to be? How have you learned to modulate your energy so that you're meeting the minimal amount of pain and discomfort in order to get through life?